Creating a needs assessment with a choice. This activity provides instructions for using the choice module to create a poll on your course. During Stage 2, you are expected to create a choice poll that you can use as a needs assessment. The example we'll use is only for demonstration purposes. You should create a poll that will help you assess your own students' needs. These types of activities can be used to identify areas of interest, arrive at decision points, or to help find areas for review. Adding a choice to your course. To begin, click the Turn Editing On button. Scroll down and click the Add an Activity or Resource link in the appropriate topic. Select Choice in the Activities tab. In the General section, type in a descriptive name for the choice activity. Type in a description for the choice. This is essentially a poll prompt. This prompt should be designed to elicit information about the students that you, as the instructor, can use to plan your lessons. Remember that you can make your choice more engaging and visually appealing by adding a picture or an audio question rather than or as well as the text. You could choose to either display horizontally or display vertically. There are 3 useful options for the choice activity. In the Options section, I'll input 5 choices that I'll offer to students: newspapers, internet, manuals, magazines, and books. If more choices are required, I can click on the Add 3 Fields to Form button. In the Availability section, you can click the Enable boxes and set student access times and dates if required. In the Results section, you as the instructor control the privacy and poll results that are displayed to students. Okay, we're finished. I'll scroll down and click Save and Return to Course. The choice link appears on the course main page. You can reposition this to the top of the page if you choose. I'll click on our choice link and see how the choice appears to students.